Hey there, welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Come on, let's get started with the next question. You can see there is a question. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Do we have a linear equation here? No. So for this question, we are going to frame a linear equation, and after framing a linear equation, we have to find out the solution by substitution method. Okay, now you can see the difference between two numbers. Do we know what are those two numbers? No, so we don't know, right? So let us assume, let the numbers be x and y. Okay, now the difference between, that is according to the equation, difference, that is subtraction, x minus y is 26. Okay, this is equation 1. And one number, that is x, is means equal to 3 times the other number. So which is other number? That is y. Okay, so this will be equation 2. Okay, we are going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. This is 3y, okay, minus y equal to 26. So we need to subtract here. Okay, 3y minus y is 2y equal to 26. Okay, can directly cancel. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So y equal to 13. So we got one solution. Okay, now let us find out the other solution by substituting the value of y in equation 2. So x equal to 3 into 13 equal to 13 3s are 39. So we got the value of x as 39. Now therefore the numbers are 39 and 13. I hope this is clear to you all students, right? Hi students, come on, let's solve next question here. The larger of two supplementary angles. Fine. What is supplementary angle? What do you mean by supplementary angle? When you add two angles, okay, I can say this is 60 degrees, okay, and this is 120 degrees. When you add these two angles, you're going to get 180 degrees, right? Any two angles, I can say 100, 180. So 180 you're going to get, right? So 90 and 90, when you add those two angles, you're going to get supplementary, that is 180 degrees. Supplementary means two angles, when you're going to add, you have to get 180 degrees. Then only we say it is supplementary angle. Otherwise it is not a supplementary angle at all. Okay, if you get 179 point something, but still I deny telling that it is a supplementary angle. Okay, if I say 181, of course not. It should be exactly equal to 180 degrees. Then only we say that two angles are supplementary. Otherwise, no. Okay. Now here, the supplementary angles of two angles with the sum of 180 degrees, and assuming that the angles are x and y. So let the angles be x and y degrees, x degrees and y degrees. So two linear equations can be formed from this known situations here. Okay, now here let this x be the larger angle and this be the smaller angle. Let the larger angle be x degrees and the smaller angle be y degrees. Okay, now here, since the two angles are supplementary, I can just write x plus y equal to 180 degrees. Okay, x plus y equal to 180 degrees. We got one of the equation. Okay, now here, according to the equation, as you can see, the larger of two supplementary angles, larger, which is a larger angle here? X degrees. So the larger angle is is means equal to. Larger angle exceeds the smaller by, exceeds means you're adding up, or okay, you're adding up y plus 18 degrees. एक्सीडिंग ज़्यादा हो रहा है भाई, यहाँ पर देखिए y एंगल से 18 डिग्री ज़्यादा हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स यू आर एक्सीडिंग द एंगल विथ 18 डिग्रीज. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. चलिए, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन 1. आप डायरेक्टली आप यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लीजिए, सॉल्व कर लीजिए. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट हियर x plus y equal to 180 degrees. Now x value, it is y plus 18 degrees, and this is plus y equal to 180 degrees. Now y plus y is 2y, okay, equal to 180 degrees. Get this 18 to the other side, okay. 2y equal to 162 degrees you're going to get. Now directly can cancel 2 ones are 2 8s are 2 ones are. So y equal to 81 degrees we got. Okay, so I found out one of the angle here, that is a smaller angle. Come on, let's find out the larger angle here. Let me substitute the value of y in equation 2 to get the value of x. Okay, now here x equal to y plus 18. Y value is 81 plus 18. Okay, when you add these two, you are going to get 99 degrees. X equal to 99 degrees. Now you can just check that these two angles, when I add, I am going to get 180 degrees. Right, students? Just check. I hope this is clear to you all, students. Here in this question you can see that the coach has bought some bats and balls. Okay, that's 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees, and later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. We need to find the cost of each bat and each ball. So let the cost of each bat and each ball be x and y. Okay, x and y rupees. Now according to the question, we have got here 7 bats and 6 balls. 7x plus 6y equal to 3,800 rupees. Okay, this is equation 1. And later she buys 3 bats, that is 3x plus 5y equal to 1,750 rupees. Let this be equation 2. Okay, now let's do the substitution to get the value of bat and ball here. This will be written as 7x equal to 3,800 minus 6y, x equal to 3,800 minus 6y whole divided by 7. We got the value of x. I am going to substitute this x in equation 2. Okay, now this is 3 into 3,800 minus 6y upon 7 plus 5y equal to 1,750. You can see here 3 as it is I have written. Only the value of x I have substituted, plus sign 5y equal to 1,750. I have written as it is. Now let me multiply this. Okay, when I multiply this, I am going to get 11,400 minus 3 6 are 18y. Okay, whole divided by 7. This is plus 5y equal to 1,750. Okay, let me take the LCM. Cross multiply you can do. 11,400 minus 18y, okay, plus 7 5s are 35y whole divided by 7 equal to 1,750. Okay, now cross multiplication, you have to cross multiply this. here 11,400, you can see that these both have got a different sign. Different sign means let us subtract. When I'm going to subtract these two, I'm going to get 17y with a greater number sign, which is plus, equal to. When you multiply these two, you're going to get 12,250. Okay. Now 17y equal to, after equal to we have got 12,250. Shift this to the other side, you are going to get negative of 11,400. Okay. When you subtract these two, you are going to get 850. Okay. 17y. 17 ones are 17 fives are, and this 0. I'm going to get y equal to 50. I got the value of ball. Okay, let me substitute the value of y in this equation 3. Okay, let me write here x equal to 3,800 minus 6y upon 7 equal to 3,800 minus 6 into y value is 50 upon 7 equal to 3,000, that is 3,800 minus, when you multiply these two, you're going to get 300 upon 7. Okay. Now further, when you subtract these two, you're going to get 3,500 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 fives are, and these 2 zeros I'm going to write as it is. Therefore, I got x equal to 500. Cost of each bat equal to 500 rupees, and the cost of each ball is 50 rupees. I hope this is clear to you all, students. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. You can observe wherever you go in the cities, all the taxis have got a fixed charge for certain kilometer. Okay. Now, for the distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105 rupees. And for the journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155 rupees. What are the fixed charges? We need to find out the fixed charges. And what is the charge per kilometer? Okay, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Okay, so what we are supposed to do here is, we need to find out the fixed charges. In easy way, I'll just write here fixed charge plus distance per kilometer, I can say charges per kilometer, and this will be the total charges. Okay, in a easy way you can write like this. The fixed charges, we don't know what is it. I'm just going to write here x. Okay, distance covered is 10 kilometers, that is 10y. The charges paid is 105 rupees. The total charge paid for 10 kilometers is 105 rupees. Similarly, and for the journey of 15 kilometers, the fixed charges will be x again plus 15 kilometers, that is 5y. The charge paid is 155 rupees. Okay. So here I got a two linear equations. Okay. Now this one, I'll just name this as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. Now equation 1, I'll take this, that is x plus 10y equal to 105. X equal to, after equal to we have got 105. Shift this to the other side, it's going to get negative y, negative 10y. This is equation 3. I'm going to substitute the value of x in this equation 2. Okay, here x plus 15y equal to 155. X value is 105 minus 10y. Okay, only the value of x I have written here, plus 15y equal to 155. I'm going to write as it is. Only the value of x I'm going to substitute here. Rest all as it is I'm going to keep here. 105. You can see that these two have got a different sign. Different sign means you're going to subtract it. 10 minus 15, that is 5y. Greater number sign is plus, equal to 155. 5y equal to, after equal to I have got here 155. Okay, send this to the other side. You're going to get negative of 105. Okay students, now when you subtract these two, you're going to get here 50. 5y equal to 50. Can cancel directly. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Y equal to 10. Okay, the value of y I got as 10. I'm going to substitute the value of y in equation 3. Here equation 3 is x equal to 105 minus 10y. Okay, here 105 minus 10 into the value of y is 10. Here 105 minus 10 tens are 100, that is 5. X equal to 5. I got this. Now how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Okay, now I'm going to write here charges for a distance of 25 kilometers, that x plus 25y equal to. Okay, now x is fixed price, we got as 5 plus 25 into the charges, that is distance per kilometer is 10, equal to 5 plus 250. When you add these both, you are going to get 255 rupees. I hope this is clear to you all students. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. Fraction means it should be in the form of p by q. It should be in the form of p by q form. Okay. Now let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Let numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay. Now I'm going to write x by y. So the fraction becomes equal to 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. I'm going to add 2 for both numerator and denominator. Okay, so this will be equation 1. So I need to get this in a simple form. Here let me do cross multiplication to get a standard linear equation. 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. Okay, this is 11x plus 11 2s are 22 equal to 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Okay, 11x, get this to the other side, minus 9y equal to, after equal to, this is anyhow it has gone to the left hand side, only 18 is left over, get this to the other side, minus 22. Let us arrange the like terms. Here we have got the variables, all the variables will come to the left hand side and the constants will stay as it is in the right hand side. So 11x minus 9y equal to, when you subtract these both, you are going to get 4, greater number sign, that is minus. So this is equation 1. Okay. Now again next, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, that means the same here, the fraction, that is x by y equal to, here 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, plus 3 I'm going to add for both the numerator and denominator. It becomes 5 by 6. It becomes 5 by 6. Okay. Now let's do cross multiplication to get a linear equation. 6 into x plus 3 equal to, send this to the other side, 5 into y plus 3. Okay. Now let us multiply 6 to each of these terms. I'm going to get 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equal to 5y plus 5 3s are 15. Okay, variables to one side and constants to the other side. 6x. So when you bring this 5y, you're going to get negative of 5y equal to, when this is gone, only 15 is left over, and shift this to the other side, you're going to get minus 18. Now this is 6x minus 5y equal to, when you subtract these both, you're going to get 3, which is greater number sign, that is minus 3. This is equation 2, students. Now from equation 1, so we got equation 1 right, so we'll find the value of x and substitute in equation 2. Okay students, here I'm going to write equation 1. Here it is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. 11x equal to, after equal to we have got minus 4. Shift this to the other side, you're going to get plus 9y. X equal to minus 4 plus 9y upon 11. So the value of x we got, I'm going to substitute this in equation 2, students. Equation 2. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. 6 into x value is minus 4 plus 9y upon 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Now let me open the bracket. 6 is multiplied to both the terms here. Minus 6 4s are 24 plus 6 9s are 54y. Divide by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Okay. Now cross multiply. This will be minus 24 plus 54y. Okay, I'm going to multiply this. Minus 5 11s are 55y. Whole divide by 11 equal to minus 3. Okay. Now this is minus 24. See, when you subtract these two, see we have got different signs. We need to subtract this. I'm going to get y greater number sign. Okay. Cross multiply this. I'm going to get minus 33. Minus y equal to minus 33. Shift this to the other side. I'm going to get plus 24. Minus y equal to, when you subtract these two, you're going to get minus 9. Minus minus gets cancelled. Y equal to 9. Okay, I got the value of y equal to 9. I'm going to substitute this in equation 3, students. Okay. Equation 3 is x equal to minus 4 plus 9y upon 11 equal to minus 4 plus 9. Y value we got, that is 9. Whole divide by 11 equal to minus 4 plus 9 9s are 81 upon 11, students. Equal to, so we have got different signs, we need to subtract. When we subtract, I'm going to get 77 upon 11. 11 ones are 11 sevens are, therefore x equal to 7. Okay, I got the value of x as well as y. Okay, I need to find the fraction. Okay, therefore the fraction is, okay, that is x by y. We have got the fraction, right? X value is 7 and y value is 9. I hope this is clear to you all, students. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So do we know the age of Jacob or his son? No, we don't know. So let the present age, let us write here, let the present age of Jacob be x years and the present age of his son be y years. Okay, now here 5 years hence, so from here on I can write here 5 years according to the question, 5 years from now. So Jacob's age is x plus 5 years, and the son's age is y plus 5. So that means for these ages I am going to add 5. That's it. Okay, years. Okay, now according to the question, let me go. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob. So Jacob's age is x plus 5. Age of Jacob will be 3 times 3 into the son's age is y plus 5. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now x plus 5 equal to 3y plus 3 5s are 15. Okay, now x, get this y to the other side, minus 3y equal to, anyhow we have written this 3y to the left hand side, only 15 is left over, 15 minus 5. Okay students, now x minus 3y equal to, when I subtract these two I am going to get 10. This is equation 1. I hope this is clear. Now again for the second linear equation, you can see 5 years ago. I'll write here 5 years ago. It was past. 5 years ago. Jacob's age is x minus 5. X minus 5 years. And the son's age is y minus 5 years. Okay. Now according to the question, 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. The son's age is y minus 5. Okay. Now x minus 5 equal to, let me open the bracket, 7y minus 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now x, get this to the other side, minus 7y equal to minus 35 and plus 5. Minus negative 5, if it goes to the right hand side, becomes plus. X minus 7y equal to, anyhow we have got this in different signs, let me subtract, I am going to get 30, which is negative 30. This is equation 2. Okay. Now equation 1. You can see we have got both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2 students. In this, यहाँ पे देखिए x वैल्यू आप इक्वेशन 1 से निकालिए और 2 में डाल दीजिए, और आप x का वैल्यू 2 से निकालिए, आप 1 में डाल सकते हैं ऐसे. ओके. तो यहाँ पे इक्वेशन 1 जो है ना, हमको है x माइनस 3y इक्वल टू 10. तो x होगा 10 plus 3y. This is equation 3. इस equation 3 को हम I am going to substitute this in equation 2. Equation 2, that is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. x का वैल्यू होगा 10 plus 3y minus 7y equal to minus 30. यहाँ पे देखिए सिर्फ मैंने x का वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, रेस्ट ऑल इज द सेम. ओके 10. अभी यहाँ पे देखिए 3y minus 7y, both have got a different signs. Let me subtract this. I'm going to get here 4y, greater number sign is minus, equal to minus 30. So minus 4y equal to minus 30. तो 10 को इस तरफ डाल दीजिए, minus 10. Minus 4y equal to same signs, add. When you add, you're going to get 40. So minus minus gets cancelled, 4 ones are 4 tens are. Y equal to 10. So I got the value of y as 10. So I'm going to substitute the value of y in equation 3. Equation 3 is x equal to 10 plus 3y equal to 10 plus 3 into y value is 10. 10 plus 3 tens are 30 equal to 30 plus 10 is 40. So x value is 40, students. Now the Jacob's age is 40 years and the son's age is 10 years, students. Okay, therefore Jacob's age, present Jacob's age is 40 years and the son's age is 10 years. I hope this is clear to you all. If you have any doubts, please leave your comments in the comments box, students. It's very easy. Try to understand. I hope you can do it, students. It is not so difficult. Just need to understand a bit. Okay.